Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here in Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida, and today we're going to try out the brand new restaurant here at Busch Gardens, Toma, directly behind me. It's going to be a ton of fun, so make sure you stick around and check it out. Hit that subscribe button, and let's go!
Let's go! Alright, y'all, that's what we said. We're here to go to Busch Gardens today, so we are here for possible previews for the Wild Oasis. And that's all awesome. Just go back and check that one out. But yeah, we're going to order some lunch and see what our hoopla is about for Toma.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is like one of the signature premier restaurants here at Busch Gardens. Whenever they do the food festivals, the Toma restaurant is always the most expensive one. They always give you the smallest portions for the most amount of tickets.
Oh.
And that's because it's backed by Sofia Vergara.
Ooh.
So from, I think it's Modern Family?
Yep. Too spicy. I like it.
So it's a Latin themed restaurant. We're going to go inside and check it out.
All right, we're going to get all the food and you guys will I wonder if she even knows that she's a part of this.
Well, it's her love letter to Latin food, and she wants to share it with the world.
Okay.
Yeah, please. All right, so the nice thing about this restaurant is it is situated right next to, I believe this is the gorilla orangutan exhibit. So if there are any orangutans, maybe we'd see them, but I think right now he's all the way on the other side of the park. But we are seated here, and we've got our food. So we've got the croquetas, the barbacoa, and the empanadas. So all this, two drinks. Empanadas, 2 drinks. All this with our pass holder discount was $55. So insane.
It's a hot one today.
It just got done raining, so it is incredibly humid. It was 95 degrees when we left the house, and now it feels like it's about 1,000,000. All right, so they kind of put everything together, which is not ideal. Yeah, but you have like the corn, the meat, the rice, and the beans. Now, I like all of this, but Christine does not like beans, so I'm going to try to get some of it without like mixing it all in. There we go. That is really good.
Yeah?
So there are 2 sauce options. There's a spicy one and a creamy one. We went with the creamy one, and I think that's the way to go. Honestly, it still does have quite a bit of spice in it, just in the meat as well. But very good overall. I think it'd be great to just kind of mix it all up and have a good old time. You want to try it, or are we going to do?
Yeah, you can try it.
We're going to try everything?
Yeah, try everything.
All right, so next we're going to go with the croquetas. I have no idea what this is. Oh, and we get sauces for that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we'll try the red sauce. I'm assuming that's the spicy one.
Yeah, I think so.
All right, let's give it a shot. It looks kind of like a fish stick. So that's good. It's really good. If I had to guess, that's like potatoes. I think it's kind of...
I think it's like chicken and cheese. And I'm not sure what it is.
Yeah, I don't know. To me, it tastes like potatoes. It's got the same kind of textures, like mashed potato sort of thing, but fried on the outside. Nice, good crust on the outside with perfect amount of spices. Really like that. Last up here, we will try the empanadas. So these are actually decent sized ones too, compared to what you get during the food festivals. Usually they're like half this size, so that's nice. Yeah, so they had 3 options. So
sorry. Orangutan fighting. More important. As a big boy stretch, is he gonna get up there? Is he gonna make it? Oh, look at that! Look at that upper body strength. Oh my goodness.
He's just making light work of it. Like it's no big deal.
Right, look at him.
Of course, when you can hold on with your feet and climb with them too, it really helps.
Yeah, he's like, look at me, I'm an orangutan.
Yeah. The giant face. I don't know if they're big ears or if it's just like butt face.
It's not. Seriously. Look at him. You know what? If he can do that, he can have whatever kind of face he wants.
Oh. So next up, we're going to try the empanadas. So like I said, these are actually decent size. They're much larger than the ones that you get during the food festival. They're like twice that size. They have 3 different options. They have a beef, French onion, and a vegetarian. So we went with the onion ones. I don't know why we didn't go with the beef, but this is the ones that Christine chose.
I get to make choices too sometimes.
Yeah, you do. All right, so let's give it a shot. So, as you can see, they are largely empty.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
There's no
So I did not get anything but bread. The bread is nice. It's nice and fluffy. We'll give it another shot here, see if we can get a little bit more filling.
Does it even taste? Is it all filling or all bread?
Mostly, whatever sauce is in there is kind of soaked into the bread at this point. So I would probably recommend that you go with the beef ones. You're probably going to have more filling, but it still is good. It's still tasty. Just not exactly what I was hoping for, but not bad. Sofia Vergara, Get on it.
All right, so it is very French oniony. It's good. It's lovely. I was hoping for like maybe like a little more like browned onions and those being in there, but overall not super bad. I would eat this again. I'll eat it now.
All right, so next up is the croquettes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're going for the other salsa.
Mm-hmm.
So that's probably the garlicky one.
I think so.
I think it's probably the same stuff that's on our barbacoa.
Yeah. Cool. I like it in the sauce. It's like cilantro and garlicky, which is really good. But I guess on the back end. Overall, not bad. The croquettes are crunchy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. Recommend those.
Do you think it's potatoes or do you think it's something else?
Maybe. Definitely cheesy.
Cheesy.
Yeah.
So last up is the barbacoa.
I don't like beans. I like rice. So we're gonna try to get this bite like right here. A little bit of rice, a little bit of barbacoa. Perfect bite. Honestly, a little sour cream would have been perfect. I'm gonna say this, it's not gonna be a popular opinion. The barbacoa reminds me of tuna fish. It's flavorful, but this is the texture.
Yeah, the texture wise.
Yeah, so if that creeps you out, there you go.
It's kind of stringy and like a little chewy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I think flavor's good, I thought.
Yeah, it's spicy. It's very, I mean, if you like heat, you'll like this. But if you're a texture person, that doesn't do it for you. Just so you know. But not bad. There he is. Oh, he's going. He's starting. Look at that. He's like, that's it. No breeze over here. I'm going over here. Well, I know it's so fuzzy because of how the lens is. Come on, bro. Get in focus. There we go. He was just up there a second ago. Turn back around, please. All right. So, controversial opinion. It was okay. I don't think that was worth $50.
It was mid.
It was mid. No, I will say the empanadas got better, but I think there just needs to be more filling in them.
Yeah.
I liked the croquettes, but again, I feel like, or sorry, the croquettes. I just think there just needed to be another element to it.
Yeah, I think my favorite was the croquettes.
Yeah.
I think they were like $12, $13,
Right, for four
which
of
is
them.
pretty pricey. Yeah, all of it's expensive, and what we got is not very much food for $55, and that's
Right.
with our discount.
Right.
You got to pay that Sofia Vergara money.
Yeah, right.
She's expensive.
She's an expensive lady, but we love her.
Yeah. So I would say that if you enjoy this type of content, restaurant reviews and stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we do have a whole series that we film. Over at Disney, where we are in a never-ending quest to attempt to try every single sit-down restaurant at Disney World in order to find what is the best restaurant in all of Disney. And it's going to take forever, but we're hitting up some good ones. There's a lot of good ones, some fresh takes over there. So make sure you hit subscribe to follow along with that content. It's a lot of fun.
Oh no, there goes the napkins. All right, guys, that being said, we're out of here. I will see you next weekend.
That's my line. Bye.
That's my line.
One positive of this restaurant, though, is the view. Being able to sit and have dinner so close to the animals, the orangutans. That is pretty cool.
That was pretty neat. I'd recommend that one.
Yeah.
Good call.
So, we didn't. Am I gonna do this like myself?
Yeah, well, I can.
Yeah. Hey, guys. With our pass holder discount was $55 or something like that. It's insane. You can put that down. You don't have to sit there and hold it. All of this